this marriage. Because some of us fail to take our time to study who our friends are.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I'm saying now? Somebody you don't study, you can't tolerate.
Yes, sir.
Somebody you can't study, you cannot tolerate the person. You just see somebody, you just speak, you say the person is your friend. You don't know how far, you don't know how many damage he has done to people he has left before. And you are moving with the person. Be careful to study, to know who is this person, where is he coming from.
It's double HR. Excel on the beat, excel.